So guys, type to url hp.com, www.hp.com. Go to this website. This is officially website. Okay, then go to, wait few seconds, is buffering. After that, support, and click to software and driver. Printer, oh sorry, laptop, scroll down, type HP 250 G7, then hit enter. This is your laptop. So first guys, you can see the identity. If I select the OS, so Windows 10, operating system which you select Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, you no worry about that. This is different version and editions. You just select Windows 10. And one more thing guys, if you're using Windows 10, so no worry about, you can download the Windows 10 driver and install Windows 11. Okay, so first install this one, network. Are facing internet slow issues. So this is Wi-Fi driver, and this is LAN driver. So try to one by one. First LAN, click to download. No, otherwise you just select this. This is Wi-Fi. Okay, and if you require also, you can download the Bluetooth. Okay, but this is internet like Wi-Fi and local area network. Click to single click to download. Don't show again. No thanks. It automatically start for downloading. You can see, just single click, then yes, this is Wi-Fi driver. You can see the this is Wi-Fi, Intel Wi-Fi. Okay, just next, I accept, then next. Okay, this will show like that by CMD. Okay, and one more is pending. LAN driver is not install it, so no worry, just install by manual. Scroll down, extract network, and select the local driver, and then click to download. Okay, so then click to this, then yes, this is LAN driver. I accept, then next. Then it will install in background, then restart your system. Okay, this is internet slow and slowness issue, so might be this resolve it. Okay.